Hello! Ako po si Dr. Joseph Lee, ang inyong friendly urologist. Ano kayang pwede kong inumin at makakatulong sa akin, lalo na sa trabaho ko, sa edad ko, at gusto kong manatili healthy? Lagi nating sinasabi, bawal ang mga soda, mga preservative juice, high-grade na energy drink. Kasi kagaya ko, hindi ko iniinom yan because I already knew the complications or the probable adverse effect ng pag-inom niya ng matagalan. Kasi pwede kang magka-diabetes, maging obese, tumaas ang BMI mo. So ako po ay naghanap-hanap. Meron tayo good news sa inyo kasi I have found the ultimate juice, ang One of the Juice. One of juice. Ano ang mga ingredients? Huamera, anti-cancer. Barley is good for diabetes and hypertension and good for cancer also. Maca root, that's good for male fertility and female fertility. Spirulina, of course, you know I do enjoy. Wheatgrass, maganda for GI and digestion. Mangosteen for preservation of your biliary tract and reproductive and urinary tract system. Goji berry, maganda yan to prevent you from aging. Pomegranate, it's good even yung mga mental health natin ngayon para hindi ka maging makakalimutin or Alzheimer's disease. Floreta, it's good for the blood and protect you from bacteria. Moringa, it supplements your vitamins and minerals such as iron, calcium, and potassium. Graviola is for the respiratory and the GI. Stevia, that is replaced for our sugar that we put in our processed food. Acai berry, grape seed are very good antioxidants, very good for inflammatory purpose. And of course, turmeric, good for wound healing, inflammation, and antiseptic. But remember, those who are having maintenance have to continue it. So nakikita nyo ang kulay nito is similar to the color that is presented by One of the Juice. Ito na lang ang iinumin nyo. One of the Juice. Complete wellness in every sip. O, di ba ang ganda?